Hello, this is Edwin. I want to teach you this new website that I've been uploading to for stock music, and it's called MusicGrid.com. It's a great website. It's super easy. It's one of the easiest websites you can upload to for your stock music. So here we go. So all you got to do is go to Submit Music. Once you're at this page, you're going to just drop your file into this big square or rectangle area. Okay, so it's at 100%. I'm going to press next. So once your file is uploaded, you're going to go to edit track info. So you're going to go to this rectangle box with this little pencil or pen icon. Once you're here, you're going to actually fill out the description, the title, the speed, and the tempo. Alright, so I'm just going to use a generic title for my track, and it's just for track for corporate meetings. Once you're finished with the track title, you're going to fill out the description. Okay, so once you're done with the description, you're going to fill out the speed. The speed for this one is going to be medium, but there's also a slow option, there's a medium option, and a fast option. So you want to make sure that the speed is correct. There's an option for the tempo as well. If you want to put the tempo of the song, it is optional. I do recommend it if you want to put the tempo of the song or the track just to make it more accurate. Okay, so this is a section about the genre, so you're going to fill in the correct checkbox for your genre. Since mine is corporate music, I'm going to do my best to pick the correct genre for this one. Okay, so I filled out the genre, and there's a selection for corporate for this song. Okay, and this section is called the mood, so you're just going to put the correct mood for the song. And the best way to do this is actually to listen to the track and figure out what kind of mood you are feeling. I'm just going to put a couple of them that I feel like is accurate. Okay, so I filled out the mood. I just put feel good, easygoing, carefree, peaceful, and relaxing. In the next section, you're going to the instruments, and you're just going to fill out every instrument that was in the track. So for the instrument, all I put was electric guitar, bass, and drums. So for the keywords, we're going to put in the correct keywords that is related to the song. So I'm just going to put a couple of them that I feel like it's going to meet the requirements. There is a small section right here that is so easy to bypass that you might miss it. It says, is this track registered with the PRO, Performing Rights Organization? For mine, it's not registered, but if it is, you want to put yes. So for mine, it's going to be no. This is the licensing prices. So you can either have MusicGrid select your prices for you, or you can do them yourself. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a check mark right here, and they're just going to set the prices for me. But you can definitely customize your own prices for this. Okay, so we're at the last section. So we're just going to look at these check boxes. It says, I have full rights to the music, and I'm going to put yes, I do. This is not a cover song or a sample. That is true. I will clear copyright claims if my track is registered with YouTube's Content ID, and I put yes. Once you're finished, you're going to press Submit Track for Review.